Good morning to all of you. Andarki Shubhodayam. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Babu Sukara. Normally, we quote late Justice V.R. Krishnaiah, who quoted, "Bail is a right and jail is an exception." Always will be telling in the classes particularly. Bail is a right, jail is an exception. And of course, we all know that giving bail is the discretion of the judge. Basing on so many factors, he can deny the bail, he can grant the bail, he can put certain conditions like that. Right? But the Supreme Court cancelled the bail given by the High Court. Cancelled the bail granted by High Court of Calcutta. Justice Vikramath and Sandeep Mehta of the Honorable Supreme Court of India, in the case of CBI, that is Central Bureau of Investigation, versus Sheikh Jamie Hussain and others, Criminal Appeal number 2880 by 2025, reversed the orders of the Calcutta High Court, which granted bail because Supreme Court is of opinion that the attack by the accused on the house of the complainant, it is an attack on the roots of democracy. Roots of democracy. Actually, this is a case of post-poll violence 2021. ఇందాకేమో 2011లో మనం చెప్పింది 2011 పంచాయత్ ఎలక్షన్స్ లాస్ట్ దీంట్లో తమిళనాడు కేసు. నౌ దిస్ ఈజ్ 2021 పోస్ట్ పోల్ వైలెన్స్. చాలా గందరగోళం అయింది. రైట్, కల్కట్టా, వెస్ట్ బెంగాల్. రైట్, దిస్ రిలేట్స్ టు క్రైమ్ నంబర్ 51/21 2021 under sections 143, 144, 147 unlawful assembly writing, 148, 149 రెండుగా ఒకటే. If any person does any act, he is liable under common object code 149. కాబట్టి 143 to 149 వరకు unlawful assembly writing అనుకోండి. 427 means causing mischief, damage. అక్కడ ఇల్లు పగలగొట్టి ఉంటారు, అది చేసి ఉంటారు, సామాన్లు పగలగొడతారు. Then 376 read with 511, that is the attempted to molest the, attempted to rape the wife of the complainant. The case was registered on 16/12/2021. Actually, the local police refused to register the FIR because the accused persons, Sheikh Jamie Hussain and others, they are pro-government party. అంతకన్నా ఎక్కువ మాట్లాడటం బాగా పొలిటికల్ అవుతుంది. రైట్, ద ఇన్సిడెంట్ టుక్ ప్లేస్ ఆన్ 2/5/2021. 2/5/2021, just after the announcement of the assembly election results in West Bengal. Actually, the accused persons, that is Sheikh Zamir Hussain, his brother Mohir, and so many others, almost 40 to 50, carrying weapons, they trespassed or they attacked the house of the complainant and his family. Actually, the complainant belongs to opponent party. There, Trinamool Congress versus, you may be understanding, BJP. Right? They are supporters of the other party. Immediately, they threatened the complainant and they have damaged the materials like TV, cell phone, and they inappropriately touched the private parts of the complainant's wife and literally attempted to molest her. More than that, I want to tell. Rape and molest her. they have touched her by touching her private parts, disrobed her. And actually, she could not do anything. She threatened them that she would self-immolate herself. మీరు ఇట్లాంటి ఏదో పని చేస్తే నేను కిరసనాలు పోసుకొని చచ్చిపోతానంటే పోసుకో అని చెప్పి కిరసనాలు పోసారు. Very horrible incident. And there, her 2 children were also there. Complainant, his wife and 2 children. But luckily, the others interfered and they went away, threatening her. Sir, any చేశారు చేయాల్సిందో చేసిన తర్వాత పోయారు. On that, they went to the police station, but no FIR. Likewise, so many incidents took place. Ultimately, High Court suo motu took cognizance of these things, and as a result of which the FIR was registered on 19/8/2021 by the CBI. CBI investigated the case. They arrested the accused. Of course, High Court of Calcutta, they gave bail to some of the accused on 24/1/2023. Of course, after 2 years. And 13/4/2023, 2 spells now, High Court has granted bail. Now, Supreme Court set aside the so-called bail. Now, there are 2 weeks time were given. They have to surrender before the court. Why? Supreme Court says that there is prima facie material to establish that the accused formed into an unlawful assembly 143 to 149 and launched a concerted attack on the house of the complainant, vandalized and looted. And actually, we have to appreciate the wife of the complainant, who has got guts to say that if you touch me, I am going to immolate myself, like Sita. Chanipotananje bediristam valla. We have to appreciate and kuda Supreme Court cheppindi. If the accused, such persons, if they are on bail, no possibility of fair and impartial trial. No doubt the investigation is completed. You may be under the impression that since the investigation is completed, statutory bail should be given. That is what is by the High Court. But still, if they are let loose, if they come out, such people, definitely there is no chance for fair and impartial trial. Because the nature and gravity of the offense, Supreme Court says the nature and gravity of offense, it is nothing but attack on the roots of democracy. ఎంత సీరియస్గా వెళ్ళారు చూడండి సుప్రీం కోర్ట్. ఎందుకంటే the wife of complainant was viciously pulled. She gathered courage and threat of self-immolation. This is nothing but a vengeful attitude. ఎలక్షన్ జరిగినాక సహజంగా రిజల్ట్ కొంచెం ఉంటాయి, కొట్టుకుంటారు, ఆ పార్టీ ఈ పార్టీ కొట్టుకుంటారు. బట్ ఇంత రివెంజ్ఫుల్గా చేయడం అనేది నెవర్. దే వాంటెడ్ టు మేక్ ది కంప్లైంట్ సరెండర్ బై హుక్ ఆర్ క్రూక్. ఇంత బెదిరింపు చేస్తే అట్లా గుంపుగా 50 మంది పోయి అటాక్ చేసి వైఫ్ని పాపం ఆడమ్మాయి ఆమెని బట్టలు లాగటం ఎంత చండాలం చేశారు. ప్రైవేట్ పార్ట్స్ మీద టచ్ చేయటం నాట్ అట్ ఆల్ యాక్సెప్టెడ్. క్యాన్సల్ ద బెయిల్ అన్నాడు ఒకటే మాట. హైకోర్టు ఇస్తే మాకేంటి, వీఆర్ క్యాన్సిలింగ్ ద బెయిల్. ది అక్యూజర్ షల్ సరెండర్ విత్ ఇన్ 2 weeks, అదర్వైజ్ కోయర్సివ్ యాక్షన్ విల్ బి టేకెన్. సో ఫ్రెండ్స్, రిమెంబర్, ఈ కేసులు ప్రాసిక్యూషన్కి బాగా ఉపయోగపడతాయి. నార్మల్గా అక్యూజర్ తరఫున మనంతా బెయిల్ అంటుంటాము. ఇలాంటి కేసుల్లో బెయిల్ ఇవ్వకూడదు అని సుప్రీంకోర్టు చెప్పిందని చెప్పి ప్రాసిక్యూషన్ అడిషనల్ పీపీస్ కానీ వాళ్ళంతా ఈ కేసుని ఉదాహరించవచ్చు. కాబట్టి ప్లీజ్ రీడ్ ద కేస్ లా and enrich your legal knowledge. I am staying back. Thank you very much.